Hey everyone, welcome to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. If this is your first time joining us, please subscribe below, leave a comment, and like the video. If you've been here before, you know the drill. With fall in the air, it makes pumpkin spice season. Maybe you've seen the meme by now. Keep your pumpkin spice away from my margarita, Sharon. Well, you know what, Sharon? We're going to put some pumpkin spice into a margarita today and see how it goes. Usually for these videos, I try the drink out first, make sure it works. I know pumpkin spice works well with bourbon. We're going to wing it today and see how it goes. In the comments below, I'll link the video where I made my pumpkin spice syrup and show you how to do it. But for this video, we're going to start by putting some ice in a shaker. And we're going to combine 1 ounce of our pumpkin spice simple syrup. This is going to be your sweetener. We've used agave simple syrup, or agave syrup rather, in other videos with margaritas. So 1 ounce of that. This stuff smells fantastic, by the way. Wish there was smell-o-vision on YouTube. 1 ounce of our orange liqueur. We're going to use Cointreau for this. And 2 ounces of tequila. For this one, I think rather than a Blanco, we're going to use a Reposada. I think that should work well. The other one I have right now is a Casamigos, which should be a nice complement. Has some good vanilla notes, which I think should work well with the pumpkin. Yeah, so we use 2 ounces. I left the cork in the bottle there. Came off with the cap. George Clooney make better caps, apparently. All right, and 2 ounces of that. We're also going to do half an ounce of lime juice, which is about half a lime. My knife behind me. Always have your tools ready in front of you. So we'll squeeze half a lime here. All right, and we'll go ahead and shake that up. Let all those ingredients work together and chill down with the ice. And once it's cold to touch, gets frosty, you know it's ready to go. But before we pour that out, we prepared here a mix of salt and our pumpkin pie spice, which is also an ingredient in the simple syrup. We're going to, I'm not positive how this is going to taste. Again, I didn't try this out, so we're going to do this the creative way and just do it on the side of the glass. That way we're not stuck tasting it in every sip if it doesn't work out too well. Go ahead and add some more ice to our glass. And strain in. For a garnish, a cinnamon stick. Here we go. Cheers. That's freaking delicious. Huh. I don't like pumpkin spice coffee, but I really like a pumpkin spice margarita. See you again soon. Cheers.